Meteorologist Kate Bilo is in our CBS Philadelphia Next Weather Sphere. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Jim. Yeah, we are talking that dry stretch continuing, and today will be a record 30 straight days in Philadelphia without any precipitation, anything measurable. It's also a next weather alert day because it's the coldest morning of the season so far. We have freeze warnings in effect. All of these areas shaded in purple. So all of interior South Jersey, Delaware, and areas in Pennsylvania that have not yet had the first freeze. That would be Lower Bucks, Montgomery, and Chester counties. Freeze warning goes until 9 a.m. In the city and Delaware County, not expected to get quite down to freezing. We do have a frost advisory through 9 a.m. Temperatures did briefly drop into the upper 30s at the airport this morning, in much of Delaware County seeing temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 30s. Wilmington, Delaware right now is at 36. Philadelphia is at 44. Millville at 28 degrees. Very cold out there this morning, sub-freezing. Atlantic City, now this is the airport 9 or 10 miles inland in Pomona, 31 there. At the marina in Atlantic City, which is along the coast, it's in the mid 40s. So the only spot you're not going to get quite as cold will be along the immediate coastline. And then we pivot to our next weather story, which will be the record dry and warm conditions this week. Today, again, sets a new record for consecutive days without measurable rain. Today will be 30 straight days. And October, the month of October as a whole, will likely be the driest month from start to finish on record in Philadelphia. We also have possible record warmth for Halloween on Thursday as temperatures really rebound quickly. So officially, we've had 29 days without measurable rainfall. Our last measurable rain was September 28th. We got about 1/10 of an inch. 29 ties the record that was set back 150 years ago. In 1874, we had 29 straight days without measurable rain. So today, once we get to midnight, will be day 30, and that will be the new record. And then we will keep adding to that until we get rain. Now, talking about the driest month on record from the first of the month to the last day of the month, so far we've had a trace. That was last week when that little sprinkle moved over the airport. We've never had just a trace of rain measured. In fact, the lowest amount of rain we've had in a month was back in 1924, 100 years ago. It was also October. We only had 0.09 inches that whole month, tied with October of 1963. 1949, we had about 1/10 of an inch the entire month. But if we do not get any more rain this month of October, it will be the driest month in Philadelphia history, and we started keeping records here in 1871. Just a little of context of how dry it has been. It's never happened before that we've had less than 0.09 inches. In Philadelphia by Friday, it does look like we have the chance at least to see some rain, a 40% chance by Friday, November 1st. So it looks like October may stay dry. Next 3 days, the warming will be what's most noticeable here. We're at 64 today, which is seasonable. Tomorrow we hit 70. By Wednesday, we're at 76 and it's partly cloudy. And then on Thursday, Halloween could tie the record. The forecast high is 82. Our record high also 82, and that was set back in 1946. Looks like we have a good chance of tying that record, which means the kids don't need to wear the coats with the costumes this year. We're looking at temperatures. If you're heading out early, maybe the younger kids are doing some of the trunk or treat activities. It'll be 78 degrees at 5 o'clock on Thursday. Very mild at 7 o'clock, still 73. Then clear and warm at 9 o'clock. We're at 70 degrees. And we stay dry as a front advances from the west. Now, this is the front that may bring us some shower chances by Friday. It's going to be fizzling a bit, but you can see finally some green over the city of Philadelphia. That's Friday morning into the midday time frame. We will keep you posted on that, but it does look like a decent chance to finally get at least some rain. So your next weather 7-day forecast shows that warming trend through the last day of the month. Halloween 82, showers possible likely on Friday, and then it's a colder but bright first weekend of November.